Welcome everybody, another video brought to you by my pro detailer of Rochester, mpdrocks.com. Here today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the brushes on a 21mm Griot polisher. It's actually very simple. As you can see here, I have the replacements that were given or came in the box. If you buy the machine new, you can also order it through their website. I'm sure other places carry these brushes. For the 21mm and the 15mm, it's actually from the Boss system polishers. It's actually very simple compared to the other ones which I have, which is the 8mm as well as the 3mm. On those, you actually have to open up the casing in order to gain access to the brushes. This one in particular, it's very simple. All you're going to need is actually a flathead screwdriver, and here on the side of it, it's the brush itself. All you have to do is counterclockwise and basically just unscrew it. And as you can see, the old one, it literally pops right out, and it's basically, it looks like that. As you can see, it's a little bit worn out, reason as to why it actually ended up giving way. And then all you have to do with the new one is insert it in there, and there's only one way that it actually fits into there, and then you just kind of twist it and make sure that it stays in place. Otherwise it'll try to pretty much pop out at you, and basically all you do is basically put it back in, and as you can see, it actually popped out. And all you do is just take out the and just basically try to get it back into its place. And again, it's a little tricky, but once you do, it basically stays in place. And then again, you just put the lid back on and just thread it. Just make sure that you're putting it as even as possible, and obviously you're not ruining the threads, and then you tighten it, and that's about it basically. And then this one obviously has two of them, and all you do is you flip the machine, and then you basically do the same. Just unscrew it, and just basically the old one and then the new one, and again it goes only one way. And basically just try to make sure that the actual piece itself goes in there and stays in place. Otherwise you're going to have the issue of it popping out as it's trying to do right now. And again, make sure that it's even and that you're not, basically threading it to the point where you actually ruin the threads. And that's it, basically. Again, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe. My pro detailer of Rochester, showing you guys how to replace the brushes on a 21mm, which is the same for the 15mm Griot Boss polisher. Thank you.